What's going on, guys? It's Justin. Got keys to Ricky's GTR. This GTR has not been started in months, so battery's dead. Key fob does not work. What do you do? GTR, we can't start, no battery. Come here, I'll show you.
All right.
Here's what you do. People don't show this on YouTube videos. So you take the key, get the key out like that. How's that key gonna open anything? Come here. Careful. So you open this right here. Look, you see this part? Get in there. You see that screw? You back her out.
Like that. See if I can get my fingers out. So I get the screw out. So it's a little trickier.
This screw comes out like that. It's a cap. Like that. And then look what we got. Got a keyhole. So when I do it, the alarm's gonna go off if it's not completely dead. Completely dead. I got a Nissan GTR. Completely dead.
Pow, 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 ting, 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 ting.
Not bad, huh? So, you say, now it's completely dead. What do? You gotta put the key back. Oh. And when you get in it, you have to slide it in the fob. No, completely dead. Completely dead. Now, let's grab my little jumper.
Look at that engine thing. That is so cool.
It's so cool.
Hand built. Hand built, baby.